Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day number 30 of the 30-day meditation journey. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for committing to this, dedicating yourself to this meditation path. I know it was not easy, especially when that monkey brain is like racing around, but keep going. I promise you, you will create this wonderful habit of meditation and it will get easier. Also, if you are just joining us, please go back to day number 1 for an introduction. Of course, you can do this journey at any time. You can just continue on and build that practice for yourself. Also, if you are looking for a deep dive into self-love or into further meditation, please go to the link in the description box below for my online self-love and meditation workshops. So, without further ado, let's do day number 30, meditation. Get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can lie down or sit up, whatever's going to be comfortable for you. Make sure that your clothing isn't restrictive and make sure that the temperature in the room is not too hot, not too cold. And close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and then sigh it out. And another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Continue with your breath, the inhale, the exhale. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Just allow the breath to flow. Allow it to release any tension in your body, any sensations that might be holding you back. Just allow that breath to help you to let go and release. Just continue to breathe that inhale and exhale. Just relaxing your body, relaxing your mind and your emotions. Releasing anything from your day or your week. And this time is for you. Just continue to breathe, relaxing your body, relaxing your mind, releasing all tension with every breath. Now, imagine yourself walking on a path. And as you are walking along this path, this beautiful path, you realize this path is leading you to a cave. And you approach the entrance of the cave. And go inside. And inside this cave, are quartz crystals, clear quartz crystals of varying sizes and dimensions, many of them large. And they seem to be illuminated, shining brightly, giving off an energy, a frequency of healing and nurturing. You have never seen such a beautiful display of crystals in your life, and you have never seen so many beautifully large crystals. You walk through this cave, through the vast number of crystals, and you feel peace. You feel nurturing and healing from these crystals. Quartz crystals hold information. And so you decide to sit down on one of the crystals, the flat crystals. And you close your eyes and tap into and listen to what the crystals have to tell you. Receiving their energy, receiving their healing, receiving their knowledge. Just continue to breathe as you relax into this moment, listening to what these beautiful crystals have to say, what they have to tell you. Understanding their frequency, their vibration, their energy. Just sit here for a moment and listen to their wisdom. Now, thank the crystals for their wisdom, for their knowledge. And begin to make your way to the outside of the cave, knowing that you can come back to this place, this spot, at any time. Make your way outside the cave and back down the path. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Now bring your awareness back into the space, back into your body, wiggling your toes and your fingers. Begin to rub your hands together, placing them over your eyes. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. I appreciate you and I love you. Namaste.